Yeah, this is a tornado. For sure. We're in it now. There was a warning before. We're in it. I'm in the bathroom. As I said before, the alarms have been going off every 30 minutes for the last 3 hours. It's not a warning anymore. It's here. Y'all probably thought I was tripping about that bag, but I'm sitting on it. I'm sitting on it. And I got the other one over here. Yeah. I don't know if you all can hear it, but the wind is crazy right now with the thunder. Wait it out. Hope my people are safe. You all probably can't hear it like I can hear it, but yeah. Did you hear that? Storm chasing my ass.